In shadows cast by power's play, cold winds blow and hearts decay. Eager hands grasp for control, yet seeds of kindness can still console. Through frosty nights and bitter days, hope blooms in unexpected ways. Leaders rise and leaders fall, but from adversity we stand tall. In unity we find our might, a beacon in the darkest night. For winter's grip may tighten fast, but resilient spirits forever last. Snowflakes dance a fragile grace, covering scars a fleeting trace. Yet whispers of change linger on in silent battles fought at dawn. The landscape painted pure and white hides the struggles out of sight. As we navigate this icy maze, let compassion guide our days. The seasons shift as they always do, and with each step we renew. In the hush of winter's dale, words of warmth we shall unveil.